Eels, with their unique profile and distinctive flavor, have been consumed by diverse cultures throughout history. Their juicy and tender meat, rich in essential nutrients, has captivated those seeking an exceptional culinary experience. From traditional dishes to gourmet options, eels have found their place in the cuisine of numerous parts of the world. The presence of omega-3 fatty acids in their profile also makes them beneficial for cardiovascular and brain health. Some cultures even attribute energizing and revitalizing properties to eels, associating them with positive effects on vitality and overall well-being. This growing demand for eels has driven the development of advanced cultivation techniques to meet the market demand. Eel farming and cultivation farms is a complex process that involves various crucial stages to ensure successful growth and the health of these aquatic species. The process begins with the selection of elvers, also known as glass eels or juveniles, which are the young offspring of eels. These elvers can be captured in their natural habitat or bred from eggs in controlled incubation facilities. The capture of elvers in their natural habitat is often regulated due to concerns about the decline in eel populations in various regions. Once elvers are obtained, they are placed in ponds or recirculating water systems specially designed for their upbringing. These systems ensure optimal water quality and a constant temperature, essential factors for the healthy growth of eels. Feeding control is also crucial at this stage, as eels have specific nutritional requirements. They are provided with a balanced diet that may include commercial pellets, live foods like brine shrimp, and small fish. As eels grow, they are moved to larger ponds to prevent overcrowding and provide ample space for swimming and development. Constant monitoring of water temperature, water quality, and eel behavior is essential to detect potential issues and take corrective measures in a timely manner. In some eel cultivation farms, hormonal manipulation techniques are employed to stimulate sexual maturation and reproduction in adult eels. This may involve administering hormones that mimic the natural conditions triggering migration and reproduction in the wild. Once eels reach maturity, the harvesting stage begins. Eel harvesting generally involves draining the water from the ponds, causing eels to seek shelter in specially designed traps or nets. Subsequently, harvested eels are processed for sale in the market. They can be sold fresh, smoked, canned, or in other processed forms, depending on consumer preferences. In summary, eel farming and cultivation farms encompasses everything from meticulous elver selection to their upbringing in controlled environments, continuous monitoring of their health and growth, and ultimately harvesting and processing for distribution in the market. This process demands in-depth knowledge of eel requirements and a consistent commitment to the quality and well-being of these aquatic species. Has the eel farming process piqued your interest? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. If you found this content engaging, give it a like and share it with those who might also enjoy it. Additionally, subscribe to this channel and enable notifications to continue learning. Until next time!